Hey guys, it's your girl 4 Wheel Fitness, and I am here with a really great warm-up and also cardio exercise you can do to work on balance, stability, edges, and endurance. And what we're going to do is called the elliptical. So starting with my left foot, first I'm going to pick a focal point on the ground so I can stay in the same area. Then I'm going to start slowly by going up on my front 2 wheels on my left skate and staying down on all 4 on my right. And what I'm going to do as I'm inviting my arms and my wrist weights to this party is I'm going to basically kick out and push up with that left leg. So that right leg is my propellant. And again, take your time, get into it, find that spot where you're not moving forward, backwards, all over the place, and then really get into it. Get that leg or get that heel up in the back on your left foot, and then remember, do the same thing on your right. So you'll take a second, find that stability, find your edges, and then you're going to be pushing. So I'm keeping my feet close together. Now I'm up on my right 2 front wheels, and on my left foot I'm on all 4, and then I can start pushing on my elliptical. So keep in mind, you're gonna have to get used to your toe stops or toe plugs, figure out where your sweet spot is. But once you do, and you put your favorite song on, you are gonna have so much fun with this move. It's super challenging, and really it helps you focus. So I'm looking forward, I'm standing tall, my chest out, and now I'm just focusing on keeping my feet close, pushing out and pushing back. So pushing out in the front, and there we go. Same thing with my other side. I'll ease into it for you so you can kind of see, and then I go for it. So keeping those feet close together like an elliptical, you will literally feel like you're on an elliptical. It's pretty cool. So again, get your arms involved, keep your feet close, start small so you can see where your comfort level is with your edges and not rolling. And if you have to do this for a little while, guys, trust me, you're still gonna feel it in your quads, your inner thighs, your core from holding it in, your arms from swinging, and it's gonna help you focus on staying in this same area. There you go. Have fun, guys. Keep skating.